Good morning. We've made it to week 2 of our e-learning and you guys are doing awesome. This week's science experiment combines a little art with it, so art and science together, and it's called milk art. So the things you need are food coloring, if you have any colors it'll work, a plate, some dish soap, I put a little on a towel because you only need a little, a Q-tip, and some milk. So first you're going to take your milk and slowly pour the milk on the plate. We want to pour it slowly so that the milk's not moving. So once it's still, I'm going to put some food coloring. It doesn't matter what color food coloring you have. And you're going to put 1 drop of whatever colors you want to use. If you get more than 1, that's okay. You're then going to take your Q-tip and put it in some dish soap. And then watch what happens when you touch a color. So as you can see, the colors start to spread out wherever that dish soap touches. So how does this work? Milk that we put in has a fat in it, and the food coloring floats on top of the fat. The fat is all connected with bonds, so think of it like little pieces of fat all holding hands with each other. Dish soap are used on greasy and oily dishes because it breaks those bonds and fats and allows them to separate. So when you add the dish soap to the milk, the fat separates and moves, making your magical milk art. So our science vocab word today is variable, and variables are things that are used in an experiment. So today my variables were the milk, the dishwasher soap, and the colors. So I want you to think, and maybe even test them out if you can at your house, how if we had altered these variables if our results might have changed. So I used 2% milk. Do you think that using a different type of milk would have changed our results? As well as the temperature of the milk. If we had altered that variable and maybe did warm milk, would it have turned out differently on here? So I'd love for you to try it out, and maybe we can talk about the different variables we use. So if someone used 1% milk, maybe we'll share out how your results changed. Maybe the colors shifted faster or slower. Maybe they didn't shift at all. So that will be fun to talk about, and I can't wait to hear from you guys tomorrow.